Because the Earth is tilted at a 23.5-degree angle and also rotates and revolves around the Sun, the length of the day varies throughout the year. During each equinox, both hemispheres receive almost equal amounts of sunlight, 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of nighttime. The actual day in which both hemispheres receive 12 hours of sunlight and darkness is called the equinox, and usually occurs a couple days before the March equinox and a few days after the September equinox. The day of a solstice in either hemisphere has either the most sunlight of the year, which is the summer solstice, or the least sunlight of the year, which is the winter solstice, for any other place on Earth other than the equator. Does the sun always set due east and set due west? Actually, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west only 2 times a year in each hemisphere. In the northern hemisphere, on March 20th, which is the first day of spring, also called the vernal equinox, the sun rises due east. Moving forward, the sun then starts setting a little more northeast. The sun continues to set a little more northeast each day until June 20th or 21st, which is the first day of summer, also called the summer solstice. After the summer solstice, the sun starts setting less to the north until September 2nd, which is the autumn equinox, or the first day of autumn. On this day, the sun sets due east again. After this day, it will rise a little further southeast until December 21st or 22nd, which is the first day of winter, also called the winter solstice. After this day, it sets a little less south until March 20th,